Does your restaurant or gas station parking lot look like this? Pretty gross, huh? Did you know that these conveyances go to the street, then directly into the waterways of your town? For less than the cost of a bathroom hairdryer, you could protect local waters for a year or more. The BATGuard grease captures contaminants during your daily washdown process. The BATGuard Street protects the storm drain conveyances 24/7. Both products capture oils, heavy metals, debris, and other contaminants, letting the cleaned water flow through. The BATGuard commercial products are only available factory direct at www.faythworx.com. Order yours today and make your store or chain the environmental leader of your community. It's never been easier or more cost-effective to do the right thing for our environment.
Pollution.